The trend is towards increasingly large panes. This is also true for residential buildings. One example is the new construction project at the promenade in Donauwörth. Here, 8 panes in various formats and weighing up to 400 kilos have to be installed. No problem with the flexible MRK assembly cranes by Heavydrive. When unloading the panes in extremely confined conditions, the MRK 144 with a load capacity of up to 2.9 tons already speeds up processes considerably. The Heavydrive VSG 900KS suction system can be attached to a mini crawler crane in a few simple steps. The suction system is positioned in the middle of the pane and held by 10 pads in a single operation. As is the case here, the panes often have to be positioned correctly before installation. The system can be easily rotated by 360 degrees. The great challenge of this installation project, the building is located on a steep slope. A second mini crawler crane, type MRK 144S, effortlessly moves up to the building level thanks to its crawler tracks. There, the assembly crane is positioned safely. The operator can easily remove the suction system from the assembly crane and attach it to another one. From the outside, the operator guides the pane to the opening. With the mini crawler crane, a standard building crane is not needed. Combined with the Heavydrive assembly jig, the miniature crane is even suitable for precisely setting panes in façade openings on the 5th or 6th floor. The Heavydrive assembly crane makes glazing of mullion transom systems and even balustrades and window hinges possible. For the latter, the pane has to be installed from the inside. Heavydrive offers various vacuum suction systems for different glass formats. The systems can be flexibly adapted to the respective pane size. Heavydrive GmbH develops customized and efficient assembly solutions for any construction site.